over the top of the sill. They got tar paper over the sill here as a vapor barrier.
So they used there's a repair here at the underneath the bedroom then.
Whoa, I'm not going to be able to get underneath right here.
You're not?
Well, because of the existing plumbing.
Oh.
I don't have enough space right here.
Okay.
See where this cast iron's coming right here?
Yeah, I see it.
And ties in here.
Yeah.
I have another cast iron here. I can't fit between these two cast irons. And with the new PVC right here, I have PVC here as well. I can't fit between this.
Oh, really? Okay. But can you see, as far as you can see from your eye, Gary, if there's any sagging in the joists or the 2x12s?
I see a lot of water damage, bud.
Really?
Yes, I do.
Where, in the deck or the 2x12?
This member right here,
2x12?
this one is 2x8, and they've sistered it once, and it's in bad shape.
Okay.
And the floor above it is not in good shape, which is on the other side of this knee wall coming. It goes this way like this, and then this goes again, and there's another stem wall there. There's a stem wall here, there's a stem wall here next to me.
Yeah, I see them. Yeah, the block.
And then that's the outside over there, and then the front of the house is back over there. Now, you can get to this area, but getting over there, you'd have to put another hole, because where this existing pipe is in here, you're not going to be able to fit in here.
No, that's very tight. It's
See here? I have less than I barely have a foot between this pipe and this pipe.
Yeah.
To get in
blocking.
here.
I see it, yeah.
Because of the cast iron. And then I got PVC here and a new drain coming down here. This is fairly new, where they tied into the cast iron.
Yeah.
And I see the old cast iron coming off of this pipe is still there. And there was a lot of leakage around that. And you can see it too.
And I think we're in the vicinity of that shower in the bathroom, Gary, right here.
Yes, we are.
Because of the piping. We're directly underneath it, I believe.
Yep. That's
well,
a fact.
Okay.
See, now the floors here, where they did the bathroom,
Yeah.
they're 2x6.
Where the bathroom is.
Yep. They're 2x6, not 2x12. And they didn't replace the wood.
They did not?
No.
And it's
The
all
wood
wood
floor
rot?
in this area is all water damaged. Water damaged over here as well.
Gary, let's take some photographs. I'm doing a video right now. But
And I got a lot of water damage going that direction. But I can't get to it. And
how would we fix this, from the top? Or you gotta open it
no, I'd open another hole
in the wall?
further down the line, create another hole like this.
Okay.
So that way you could get to the other side of this stem wall and the other side of this plumbing. Because that joist right there that is running all the way through.
What size is it, Gary, do you know?
Looks like a 2x8.
And it's running, I believe, north-south.
North-south. And it's been sistered in 3-4 different places.
Huh.
And the original on the other side of that knee wall over there
Yeah.
is 2x12. And on the other side of this one, most of that's been eaten out and they replaced it up to this stem wall here. And that's where they did this. This was added. This is not original.